Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about Python for data science AI. Uh, we are in IBM data science course, certification course. So I'll start with the answers now. So the first question is consider the tuple A with a value 1 in a tuple and 2, 3 in a list and 4 as in a list that contains tuple and list. What is the result of the following operation? So we are here having a with the index of second. So a value of second index. So we are having index as 0th index. We have the tuple as 1. Then we have a list of two values, that is 2 and 3 at first index, and at the second index we have 4 as a single value in a list. So the operation will return 4 as a correct answer. So it corresponds to second index. Second one is the given the consider the tuple, the previous one only, that contains a tuple and list. What is the result of the following operation? So we have a nested indexing, that is we are talking in two dimension here. That at second index, what is the 0th index value? So at second index we have one value, that is 4, and it is at the 0th index. Since in A at 0th index we have a tuple which values is 1, same as at second index we have only one value in the list, that is 4. So the answer will be 4 as an integer, the 0th value of the list. The integer will be displayed there. So the second question is it is a true or false, which is saying after applying the following method L dot append the list A and B as in character, the following list will be one element longer. Yeah, so that is correct. Since you can see here we have three values, one in tuple and two in list, and when if we are going to append this value in the list in A, then the fourth third index will be appeared here and fourth value in the tuple will be appended. So it is true, only one index will be increasing here. It will have a nested index, so you can consider that also. So the next question is we have a list that is having three values, hard rock as in a string, 10 as an integer, and 1.2 as in a floating value. So what will list A contain after the following command? So we are using del method, which will delete one of the indexing position values. So we are deleting A0, that is 0th index value will be deleted from here. So at 0th index we have hard rock. So it is a string value and it will be deleted. So the remaining will be 10 and 1.2. Only two values will be remaining here. So as you can see in the result also, 10 and 1.2 will be remaining and hard rock will be deleted because hard rock is at 0th position of A. So fifth one is what is the syntax to clone a list A and assign the result to list B? So we can simply what we are going to do, we are going to do A, and in list format we are going to put a colon there. So it will say that from starting to end everything will be cloned to B. So in this way we can directly clone it. Sixth one is what is the result of the following. So we have a len method with a tuple. So when we are going to len method, it is going to give us the length, and as you can see in this tuple here we have two values, one disco, that is a string, and 10, that is an integer. So we have two values, so the length will be displayed here as 2, but the indexing will be 0 and 1. 0 and indexing always starts from 0, so indexing will be 0. In the seventh question we are going to discuss about the dictionary. As you can see, the curly braces open and close represents that it is in a dictionary format. The first value, that is in inverted commas, it is said to be key and value. It is key and the respective value is here. So respective value can be anything, but keys have to, like here you can see the bodyguard represent 1992. So here it is saying that select the values. So the first value before the colon will be key and the second value after the colon it will be value. So you can see the colon here, here and here. So you can differentiate, the left side value will be key and the right side value will be the value. So we have to select the values. So there are two values over here, 1992 and 1977. 1977 and 1990. These two values are there. Eighth one is the variable release year date is a Python dictionary. What is the result of applying following method? So Python variable name, like dictionary variable name dot values, it is going to retrieve the values of the dictionary. If we have just given a name a equal to these values in a dictionary and we can just call a dot values, these two values will be displayed there. So it is going to work like that dictionary. Ninth one is consider the set p equal to dictionary 1 and 2. What is the result of we add 3? So we have 1, 2 and 3. So here you can see the set is also going to work in the curly braces, but the main difference is it is not going to be in the format of key and value pair. Only dictionary is going to be in the key and value. As you can see, the curly braces are also over here, but the key and value pair is given. So this is a dictionary, and if the key and value pair is not given, it is a set. So that is the basic difference between set and dictionary. And whenever you are going to add 3, it will represent as 1, 2, 3. But here also we have given a string, so it will take string. So 1, 2, 3 is correct. 10th one is what is the result of the following? A in A and B. So we are finding A character in a set of A and B, and it is true since we can see clearly that A is available in A and B, this set, so it will give the true as the result. These are the like common basic user defined types that we have in Python. You can have the good knowledge in user defined or data types while working on it. So I would suggest that have a good hands-on experience in Python basic. That will really help you in future. And I hope that you have liked the video, and please do subscribe to the channel. It will be really helpful. Thank you so much.